can't really tell you what I'm doing, where I am, but I'm creating some really cool and amazing video. I will share a bit more later, but here at Avani shooting for something really exciting, and I'll tell you guys about it pretty soon. I'm excited. I'm here with a young lady by the name of Adita Cameroy. She invited me to join her on something. I'm not going to tell you guys too much, but you'll find out soon enough. And yeah, we're just pretty much waiting to get started. I hope you guys can hear me. And hey guys, we are still doing the thing. Say hello to my vlog. Come be in my vlog. What's your vlog? This is my vlog. Okay, yeah. Oh wow, the light is so bad, but
I know.
it's fine. It's okay. Working on some very exciting.
Besides, you actually look good in it.
Oh stop! Carry on. So yeah.
Which one do you want? Stop with
Yeah, so classes were cancelled today. I had a shoot, which is what you guys saw. The footage that you guys saw, it went really well. I'll definitely be sharing more with you guys once everything is like finalized, but I'm really excited. This year seems to be going really well, so I'm excited for that project, for that new project. It kind of got me in the right state of, not right state of mind, but like it really boosted my mood in a sense. I don't want to lie, at some point I did get a little bit annoyed because we started really late and I was really grumpy and hungry and tired and just, it was just, I didn't understand why it was taking forever for us to start doing what we're doing. But then along the way, you know, as we got started and we started working and doing all that stuff, I was finally like, okay, getting back into the mood and all that. So yeah, I'm excited about that. I'm excited for that project, to be able to share it with you guys and let you guys know what it's all about. But it's gonna be really cool. But yeah, I feel so good to just like wipe my makeup off. I'm gonna go and find something to eat, and then I'm gonna take a nap. Then when I wake up, I will do other things. There's one thing that's kind of like brought my mood down a little bit, but I'm not gonna let it spoil my day. I'm just gonna stay on this positive wavelength and, you know, just ride this wave until I can. This feels really good to just not have makeup on my face. I think I've gotten to a point where makeup is just a hassle for me now. It's just a lot. So yeah, hair is up, makeup is off. I'm gonna get into something a bit more comfortable, go get something to eat, and then I'm gonna take a nap, and then I'll check in with you guys later on. I've had a really great day, and like the girls, oh my gosh, okay, let me actually reflect on that shoot. Like the girls were all just so, like, the way we gelled, like we all just gelled, like it's crazy. And I felt really happy, you know, like working with them, and just, you know, we're all kind of like finding our way through everything. I'm really trying not to say too much, and we're all just like, we're all just so different, but we just come together and just make things happen. So I'm excited for this journey, to go on this journey with these girls, and yeah, like I think it's gonna be a really, really great project. And yeah, I'm gonna have to do a lot of thanking, thank God a lot that he's opening doors and making things happen, yeah. But yeah, it's been a great afternoon. Let me go and find food and get some food and take a nap, because now I'm just going off on another. Yeah. Alright, loves, I'm gonna end the vlog here. There's really nothing else that's gonna happen tonight. Yeah, I didn't take my nap. I ended up just chilling and watching TV and hanging out and whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and yeah, we'll see when else I'll be vlogging and whatever. But anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you enjoyed the vlog, please give it a thumbs up. No, you can talk. If you enjoyed the vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know how your day was, and yeah, how your day was, how your week was, something that you really enjoyed doing this week or today, whenever you see this vlog. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video or vlog. Bye guys.